Daddy!
What a shame, 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 shame.
Luigi, I'm home!
Oh my God, 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 God.
Well, tough cookies! I don't have grade.
Eric, I'm
The ace of spades.
toast.
You're running your hands up and down. You're running your hands up and down. Oh, I thought you could push trumpets.
That's it. I've had it.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen.
Here's the problem. Too many toasters. Ich bin der krummelige Troll unter der Brücke lebt.
Luigi, I'm home!
I just got back from the deli.
What a shame.
I just got back from the deli.
What a shame.
I'm cured! I can see!
Stu, what are you doing?
Playing Super Mario on a poorly coded Nintendo 64 emulator.
It's 4 o'clock in the morning.
Chocolate pudding.
For my next impression, Mr. Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Put that cookie down!
Not right now.
Put that cookie down!
For my next impression,
If I hear that one more time, I'm liable to crack.
Nope.
What we should aspire to. I don't know. But you don't know. Hasn't changed a bit. And yet...
No.
You have to put an end to it.
Thank
you, my Lord Ike.
Stay back! Mike! Stay back! Mike! Stay back! Back!
Keep up with me if can. At your ready.
statues.
This stop sign is a sign. Everything.
No.
How about your favorite game you've ever played?
It's still Mario Galaxy, actually.
Really?
How many of you were really disappointed in Mario 64?